The only problems that is now common to guys is that they are experiencing shrinking penis. And this is not anything ordinary that one may think that when this happens, it's going to come back again. When this happens to you, it doesn't come back if you didn't, treat it. That is why most of you will always go looking for medicine or enlargement product to enlarge back your penis in order to gain back your confidence level. Now, there are guys out there are men out there who cannot even show their penis to their partner. There are guys out there, their girlfriends has never seen their penis before. It is not because the penis is very bigger. No, if it is big, you would have be proud of yourself to let your partner see. But it's because it is so much small. Now, what is happening nowadays is that it is men that are rather running away from their partners. Gone are the days that women will be giving you excuses upon excuses because they are tired of sex. They are tired of whatever. But nowadays, it is men who are now tired and are giving up and are running away. You know what? We are always missing something. We are always missing up something. That is why you end up even buying the most expensive product that is working for everybody, yet it will not work for you. Look, there are thousands of products out there that works, that are not fake, that are original. But you are buying them and they are not working for you simply because you are not following the rightful protocols. Yeah. Things that you need to know, you are not doing them. You don't know them, so you're not doing them. So that's why you can buy any medicine that anybody, like Danny here, who is saying that or whatever. Danny can go and buy any other product. Even though the medicine, that product is working for everybody, they have recommended it to him and he will go and buy. He will still buy that medicine, it will not work for him. Simply because he is not following the right protocols. Things that he needs to know, he doesn't know. So no matter what you do, you will not yield any good result. When you are experiencing this sickness, don't just go out there to buy anything called enlargement product with the mindset that it will enlarge your penis back. It doesn't work like that. Many of you bought pumping machines. Many of you bought pills, capsules, oils, creams and stuff, but you haven't seen anything. The question is it that all the medicines that you have bought, is it that they're not working? Yes, of course. There are fake ones and there are good ones among them. But it is left to you to choose which one is the good one. However, choosing the good one doesn't make it original or doesn't make it to work for you. But it is about you understanding how it works. When your penis is shrinking, the first thing you should think of is to look out for what is making it shrinking. Not about you enlarging it. Nothing is going to work for you. You are experiencing shrinking. If this happens to you, please do not be in a haste to look for anything called enlargement. It doesn't work like that. It will not work for you. Forget about all the testimonies people are giving about my product. Don't just follow the testimonies without you sharing with me what problem you have. All those that have shared their testimonies with me and have posted them on the page, it is because they have followed the protocols. You have to seek for a solution for what is making it shrinking, but you need not to enlarge it rather as at a time. Do you know that masturbation can make your penis shrink? If you don't know, I am telling you today that masturbation is what causes the penis to shrink. And I will tell you some signs signs or symptoms that will tell you that yes, masturbation is what causes the penis to shrink, I will tell you, I will share with you. Anyone who practice this, automatically you have wound in your penis. If they say wound, it is not that kind of wound that always like the normal wounds that we have. Anytime you have wound on your skin, you can feel pains, and no, it doesn't work like that. But this is how it works. Have you ever noticed that anytime you are there, you feel a strange and a sharp pain in your penis? When you wanted to urinate, this happens to you most especially. Anytime you are going to urinate, immediately the urine is, you are passing out, then the pace is coming drastically. You cannot, your heart, you are feeling the pace in your heart. Does this happen to you before? If this happens to you, it is because it is not anything. No, it is because of the wound you have in the veins, in the penis. You see, that wound that you have in the penis, when immediately the urine gets to the wound, that is where you get the pains. The urine is salty content. So when always something salty gets to wound, you know how it feels like. It pains you. You can spend 10 minutes in the washroom urinating. Sometimes when you are urinating, you have to be holding the penis small because you have to be holding yourself. Sometimes when it happens to you, you have to be pressing, you press the penis so hard because it is paining you. So it is the wound that is causing you all this. Do you also notice that because you are addicted to the masturbation, you always see sperm, or if not sperm, there's something, how do you call it? There's this name. There's something, some watery, some sticky water. Everybody can do like this. What I'm doing here, whilst I'm rubbing my finger here, I just noticed I can feel pains in that particular place here. I can feel pains there. So what I just did now, if I were to be a fair man or a fair person or white man, you will notice right now that that place has become very red. The place would have become, that particular place would have become very red one, of course. So this means that I have damage there. I have damage there. I have wound there. Do you understand? I have wound here. So this happens to the penis. Anytime you masturbate, you rub the penis, you have wound. It is the wound that is making the penis to shrink. It is always not good to practice masturbation. So anybody who have done masturbation, automatically you can never last in bed. Having early ejaculation. That's why when you are there, even you can even take your phone. You can take your phone talking to a woman, Charlie, you ejaculate already. Immediately a woman even touches you, you ejaculate already. You cannot even penetrate into a woman. And when you are after ejaculation, Charlie, you are done. Your penis sleep and you can never do anything again. These are challenges that you'll be going through. But there's a solution. I will give you the solution. You see, whoever that has done masturbation, you'll be lacking a free flow of blood. There wouldn't be good circulation of blood in your system anymore. So when you're not getting good circulation in the penis, that is how come it also causes the penis to shrink. As for infection, Charlie, you cannot do without infection. Any masturbation victim. Masturbation is what causes your penis shrink. Masturbation is what is making you having premature ejaculation. Masturbation is what is making you having erectile dysfunction. Masturbation is also the reason behind your any forms of infection that you are treating but it's not going. You can see a man walking on the street and be talking on himself. It's not because anything, no. He's worried. So you're going to hospital, you're not doing anything good to yourself. The doctor, you go, the doctor will still tell you, I've not seen any challenges. So what will you do? You end up saying it is devil. You end up saying that my grandmother, my grandfather is the cause of this. So you end up going to pastors. Pastors will still use your money. Many of you, this is happening to you. And they keep telling me, most of the customers keep telling me that I've been to pastors and stuff. Pastor will tell you something that will make you pay, give him money. So when this happens to you, we in our community, we get this solution. We are saying that you don't need to buy any enlargement product, not even our enlargement product. No, that is not the first thing for you to do. The first thing for you to do is that please get yourself the manpower. This manpower is what is going to solve any damages that is making the penis shrinking. This manpower is what is going to solve that problem.